Electra, a revolution in clean, affordable energy. Are you ready? 71% of the Earth's surface is covered by water, a great source of hydration for humans, cattle, and crops. Right? Wrong. Unfortunately, only a tiny 3% of that water is drinkable. Huge pressure on that meager 3% is overwhelming us. Water demand has shot up by 40% in the last 40 years alone. Data forecasts another 25% leap in that demand by 2050. At the current rate of water use and loss, we could even run out of fresh water as soon as 2040, leading to a $70 trillion or 31% exposure of global GDP to high water stress. Water stress does not discriminate. It's critically affecting economies in the Middle East, the Global South, Southern Europe, and parts of the US such as California and Florida. Population growth, economic growth, increasing power demand, and climate change continue to accelerate the issue exponentially. In fact, by the time your kids are grown, a staggering 5 billion people, that's 2/3 of the world's population, might no longer have access to fresh water. In short, we are facing a crisis. But there is hope. Rapid growth in desalination technology has led to the creation of 21,000 desalination plants globally, converting salt water to clean, drinkable water for us all. That number is set to rise by 20,000 more by 2050. So what's the problem? Well, right now the process is extremely expensive. It also still relies heavily on fossil fuels because desalination plants require 24/7 energy. Solar and wind technologies simply can't provide that kind of round-the-clock energy supply when the sun doesn't shine or the wind doesn't blow. Now, both can make use of utility-scale battery parks as a backup solution when weather conditions are not consistent. But battery technologies can often be prohibitively expensive, while also being harmful to the environment. Even worse, current technologies cannot deal with the major problem of the toxic brine waste created by the desalination process. This toxic waste is altering and destroying our beautiful and delicate marine ecosystems, endangering marine life and coral. That's where Electra comes in, unlocking the clean, renewable, and endless power of the ocean itself. Generating hydropower under the sea, our innovative technology actually uses this toxic brine, combining it with existing, proven technologies. The result? A technology that converts waste streams into value streams, and which can significantly reduce the desalination industry's energy cost. The industry's annual power use of over 200 terawatt-hours has already pushed its energy bill into the multi-billion-dollar double-digit zone. Providing 24/7 baseload capacity at zero fuel cost, our technology is scalable from megawatts to gigawatts and claims up to an 80-year lifespan. Amazingly, it can also be rapidly deployed in months, not years, while offering truly cost-efficient power self-sufficiency. Electra, a UK-based renewable energy technology startup. Our vision? To create a new proprietary 24/7 renewable energy technology. If you want to help solve the world's water scarcity and energy shortfall problem, come join us. We're waiting to hear from you.